How to put a video in text in CapCut Mobile. If any day any of you are a CapCut user and you would like to put a text on your very video in CapCut Mobile, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very CapCut application on your mobile device. You have to find CapCut on your mobile device and then tap on it like this. After you tap on CapCut like this, CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to tap on the video in which you would like to add on the text to. After you just tap in the video like this, now you can see an interface like this here. Now in the down portion you can see the option of text. You have to tap on it. After tapping on the option of the text, you can see the option of add text. You have to tap on the option of the add text. Now here you can see the option of adding the text. You can see a lot of option. You can just use any of the font you want. It can be the system font, the classic font, the comic can font, the freehand font, the luxury font, the curious cat font, the rubric font, the Arno font, the italic font, the endowment font, the elegant font, the unity, and so many on the downside. As like, you can also change the style of your font that you'd like. You can also set it to the blurred format like here. You can also set it to any of the format and also the color that you'd like. Likewise, you can also set an effect to your very text here that can be in the form of an art like this or any that you want, and you can also set an animation to your very text, and you can send it in the format of the fade in option or the typewriter option or the throughout option, and so many options out here. Likewise, you can also set the settings of the bubble out here and also set your text on the format of the bubble and also the preset. Just you have to tap on any of the text that you want. For example, I'm typing hello, and then you can just stick it on like this. You can also just increase or decrease the size, and then you can also set it to the entire video like this. So this is the way on how you can add a text to your very video in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.